Imagine your liver as a tireless powerhouse, working day and night to detoxify your body and keep you healthy. Now imagine that this powerhouse is being constantly sabotaged by dietary choices you make without realizing it. What are these enemy foods, and how are they silently destroying your health? Get ready to discover how some of your favorite eating habits might be harming one of your body's most vital organs. Alcoholic beverages. The consumption of alcoholic beverages is common in many cultures, but when it becomes excessive, it can be disastrous for the liver. Alcohol is metabolized in the liver, and excessive consumption can lead to overload, causing inflammation and scarring of liver tissue. This can develop into serious diseases, such as alcoholic fatty liver disease, alcoholic hepatitis, and eventually cirrhosis, where the liver becomes so damaged that it can barely function. Each additional drink is like a direct blow to the liver's ability to regenerate and perform its vital functions. Sugars and refined carbohydrates. Sweets, sodas, white bread, and pasta are often found in the modern diet, but high consumption of these foods can have a devastating impact on the liver. Excess sugar, especially fructose, is metabolized by the liver and converted into fat, contributing to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Additionally, refined carbohydrates increase insulin levels in the blood, promoting fat storage in the liver. This buildup can cause long-term inflammation and damage, leading to serious liver problems. Saturated and trans fats. Fried foods, fast food, and processed products are notorious for their high content of saturated and trans fats. These fats are particularly harmful to the liver because they are harder to metabolize and can accumulate quickly. Trans fats, often found in processed products, are especially damaging as they not only increase liver fat, but also cause inflammation and insulin resistance. The result is a liver struggling to function properly, increasing the risk of fatty liver disease and other complications. Excess salt. Salt is an omnipresent ingredient in our diet, but in excessive amounts, it can be harmful to the liver. High sodium intake leads to fluid retention, which can increase blood pressure and strain the liver. Processed foods such as canned soups, sausages, and ready meals are major culprits, often containing much more salt than necessary. This overload can result in long-term liver damage, compromising its ability to filter toxins and keep the body healthy. Excessive coffee. Coffee is a beverage enjoyed by many, and in moderate amounts, it can even offer some benefits to the liver. However, excessive consumption can have the opposite effect. Large amounts of caffeine can overload the liver, interfering with the organ's ability to detoxify the body and metabolize other substances. Additionally, excess coffee can lead to increased blood pressure and liver stress, further complicating liver health. Your liver is a vital organ that deserves care and attention. Protecting the liver is essential for maintaining overall health and ensuring our body functions efficiently. So I will reward you with 5 more tips for healthy habits that help keep your liver in top condition. 1. Regular consumption of citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals and promote the body's natural detoxification. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential for the production of enzymes that aid in digestion and toxin elimination. 2. Consumption of cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and cabbage contain compounds that increase the production of detoxifying enzymes in the liver. These vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, helping to reduce inflammation and improve liver health. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily diet can support liver function and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. 3. Green tea. Green tea is known for its powerful antioxidants, especially catechins, which help protect the liver from damage. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea can improve liver enzyme levels, reduce oxidative stress, and decrease fat accumulation in the liver. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of green tea a day can be a beneficial habit for liver health. 4. Adequate hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for proper liver function. Water helps to eliminate toxins from the body and supports healthy blood flow to the liver. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day can improve liver detoxification and prevent issues such as fatty liver. Additionally, avoiding sugary drinks and opting for water or natural teas is a smart choice for liver health. 5. Consumption of garlic. Garlic is a potent food that can benefit the liver in various ways. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for toxin elimination. Additionally, garlic is rich in allicin and selenium, which protect the liver from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Incorporating fresh garlic into your meals can be an effective way to promote liver health. Maintaining a healthy liver is fundamental for overall well-being. You are investing in your long-term health and ensuring that your body functions in the best possible way. If you like this video and want to learn more about taking care of your health, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you don't miss any important tips. And now, click on the video that will appear on your screen about foods that harm your kidneys. Don't miss it. Your body will thank you.